When you go beyond just the basics in learning Microsoft Word, you'll discover it makes creating professional-looking documents simple and fast. The use of pre-designed templates, styles, graphics, and quick parts allows you to enhance documents with ease and speed. This one-day course is designed for users who can already create basic Word documents and now want to enhance the appearance and functionality of their documents while improving the speed of their workflow. In this course, you'll learn to work with templates, understand advanced document and page formatting, use mail merge, enhance content with tables, charts, and graphics, and secure documents. If professional looking and consistently formatted documents are important to you, then templates are what you need. Word has a robust set of pre-built document templates. They give you a solid start in building a new document. You can take your existing documents and make templates so every new document matches your corporate style, and templates can even be applied to existing documents. Let us help you go beyond basic formatting. Use a theme that applies a set of colors, fonts, and effects to the entire document. Set up a theme for your own corporate fonts and colors to make formatting faster and more consistent. Add styles, a predetermined set of font size, style, color, and paragraph formats to selected text. Explore why to use them and how to create your own custom styles for text, lists, and tables. Work with page configuration, manage text flow, and have headers and footers work the way you want. Use watermarks to flag draft or confidential documents. Need to print off the same letter to multiple individuals? Or create hundreds of envelopes to different addresses? Learning how to use mail merge turns this tedious process into a fast one, letting you generate multiple personalized copies of the same document based off your list of data. By the end of your class, you'll know how to merge documents, envelopes, labels, and even emails. Graphics support the message of your document. Go from a plain table to a fully formatted table in a few clicks, and even create your own table style. Take basic data and represent it visually with a chart. Explore the details of the drawing tools, add callouts to highlight important information, and quickly build expressive diagrams with SmartArt. If you're sharing documents, you might need to consider what information others can see and how to limit changes they can make. Word automatically keeps certain information stored in the background. We'll teach you how to examine, limit, or remove this hidden document information before you share your files. Settings to restrict editing and password protect your documents can help keep them intact and secure. A digital signature can be used to add information about why it is signed and provide proof that it hasn't been changed. Yes, take control of your documents with our Microsoft Word Level 2 course.
Hi, I'm Senior Training Manager Joy Newholt. You're only a few clicks away from improving your skills. Register online now for one of our guaranteed to run public classes. Or contact us to inquire about our customizable private group classes. Classes can be delivered online at our modern training center in downtown Ottawa or on-site at your location. Our live instructor-led classes are your best way to learn and apply new skills to your job. Visit our website or give us a call today.